How to turn My Files customization on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage how My Files personalizes your storage experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, find My Files from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, My Files uses your file browsing habits and activity to make your storage experience smarter, like surfacing frequently accessed folders, suggesting cleanups, and organizing content based on how you typically manage your files. From here, it gradually learns your patterns, making it easier to find what you need without having to dig through folders every time. Moving on, turning it off stops My Files from using your activity data for personalization. All your files and folders remain completely untouched, and nothing gets moved or deleted. Finally, the change takes effect immediately as soon as you tap the toggle. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.